Hey, all you cotton-headed nitty muggins. It's Aaron here from Sibling Rivalry, and today is day 7 of our Lego Advent Calendar. Okie doke. So it is day 7. So that means the one right here closest to me. And let's get this opened up. Oh, it's a minifigure. I kind of half expected that it wasn't going to be a minifigure today, because we got kind of a minifigure yesterday with the snowman. But, yeah, cool. It's the lady with the shovel. So while I'm assembling this, I was thinking about like Christmas gift giving traditions. So I know a lot of people will traditionally just give like one big gift per person or something like that. Like there'll be gifts like that. Or you'll do stockings and gifts. What Val and I actually do is we do stockings that we purchase little bits throughout the year. We'll do like piecemeal. We'll pick up like starting in January, we'll start picking stuff up, and it'll be like little $5 to $10 purchases at a time. And then by like the time Christmas pulls up, we've got these huge like troves of stuff to give each other. So that's kind of replaced our tradition of giving like a big present. We'll still do like a gesture present sort of thing, but typically our emphasis is more on like the stocking and getting a whole bunch of little things that kind of maybe are things that you didn't know you needed, or like fun little things or candy and stuff like that. I know some of our family members do, for stockings, they do like toiletries, not toiletries, but like they'll give like soap and body wash and stuff like that. So, and shampoo and lotions and stuff like that, so that, and toothbrushes and toothpaste. So it's kind of like you don't have, it's kind of a nice gesture. It was a little weird when we first heard about it, but it's a nice gesture because all of a sudden you don't have to worry about going out and buying toothpaste or buying this or buying that, because you have some, or at the very least you have some in like a cupboard somewhere that you can use if you need it in an emergency, and you don't have to like rush to the store for toilet paper. Yeah, so what do you guys do for gift exchanges? Do you do something like that? Do you do like a white elephant exchange? I know some families do that on like big gatherings. Or do you just forego presents altogether and just spend time with your families? Let us know down in the comments below. So this is a little Lego minifigure lady with a shovel. Kind of reminds me of Amy Poehler in Parks and Rec. Not just because she's blonde. I don't know. So she comes with a shovel. It's just kind of like a regular shovel. So yeah, it kind of reminds me of like the scene in Parks and Rec, if you've watched it, where like she breaks ground on the park that never really gets built. That's like the whole focus of the show. But yeah, it'll go great with these guys. So we've got 2 minifigures now, a snowman, which I was looking at the advent calendars online last night from the Lego website, and they've got all like the backlog listed on there. It's kind of cool. And apparently they've replaced the minifigure snowman with a one that's like based out of like cylinder segments and like little dome segments. Doesn't look that good, but it looks a little more like a snowman than I guess this does. But I would think you do this with legs, that would be like my ideal Lego snowman, because you want them to be able to, like, if you're playing, you want to be able to do like Frosty the Snowman and stuff like that. You could even do like a little face on him. And I'm sure if you were really desperate, you could go and get an Olaf from one of the Lego sets for that, for Frozen. And yeah, as you can see, we finally attached the plate to the dog for all utility. Yeah, I guess that about covers it. So we'll see you tomorrow for day 8. And again, in case you're not aware, we're going to be doing these for all the days of Advent, all the way up to the 24th of December. And we'll be doing regular posts on Mondays as well, with occasional posts on Thursdays. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Ring the bell if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure if you liked the video, you liked it. We appreciate any feedback. And yeah, we'll have a link for the Advent calendars posted down below if you are just watching this now and want to catch up. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and happy holidays.